to share with you a story about an attorney who had prepared for the husband and the wife what appeared to be, at least to the attorney and to the husband and wife, perfectly fine estate planning documents, perfectly fine durable powers of attorney. And it came to me because there was going to be a guardianship. So what the attorney had done is they had prepared the durable power of attorney naming the wife, who happened to be a new wife, and naming the son from a prior marriage, as joint decision makers for the husband's durable power of attorney. Husband lost capacity. Now, in order to manage husband's affairs, the new wife and what would be the stepson to her had to agree on everything because they were co-attorneys. In fact, they had to agree. They weren't independently empowered. They had to agree jointly on all decisions, and they couldn't agree on anything. What appeared to be an okay power of attorney based on the actual document failed completely because the wrong decision makers were named. I do not recommend that you ever name two people who will never get along. In fact, I never recommend that you name two people jointly anyway. Sometimes there's an exception where it makes sense, but as a general rule, name one person you trust. Name a successor to that person after that, and name a next successor person. And don't require any of the people that you've named to act jointly. As a result of the power of attorney that I just mentioned to you, where they didn't name people in a successor level, they named them jointly, they had to make joint decisions. The case ended up in court in a court-ordered guardianship with this gentleman's affairs completely managed. And because neither one of the wife or the son could get along, it ended up being what's called a certified professional guardian. Some outside third person had to take over and manage the husband's affair. So there's a complete failure of the durable power of attorney, all due to the attorney who drafted it not understanding the practical aspects of what does it mean. And it seems common sense, I think most of you would agree, that you would not put the new wife and the son from the prior marriage together and force them to work together, because they didn't, and it was a complete failure.